Can you imagine the power of foreseeing defects in a surface mount technology, SMT process, before they even occur? Welcome to the world of defect prediction in SMT, a game changer in the electronics manufacturing industry. It's all about preventing issues before they happen, a strategy that saves not just time and money, but also invaluable resources. Picture this. You're in the middle of an important production run, and suddenly a defect pops up, halting the entire process. The cost implications are enormous, not to mention the potential damage to your company's reputation. Now, imagine if you could have predicted that defect and prevented it. That's the power of defect prediction. It's like having a crystal ball that allows you to maintain a high level of quality and efficiency in your SMT processes. Predicting defects in SMT isn't a luxury, but a necessity in today's fast-paced, quality-driven world. What if we told you that the future of defect prediction lies in the power of artificial intelligence? Yes, you heard that right. The future is already here. AI-powered defect prediction is a technology that's changing the game in surface mount technology, or SMT. This innovative technology leverages the power of machine learning, a branch of artificial intelligence, to predict potential defects in SMT. But how does it do this? It's quite simple, yet profoundly complex. AI has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, much more than any human could possibly handle. It uses this data to identify patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. To put it simply, AI-powered defect prediction is like having a superhuman on your team, tirelessly working to foresee and prevent issues before they even occur. Through AI, we can turn the seemingly impossible task of predicting defects into a reality. The future is indeed here, and its power